guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. So in today's video we're gonna go for a long ride actually to DD Hills. We've been there a couple of times. Today we're gonna go with Ujjwal. He told he's gonna get a couple of shots for me, and also it'll be nice for Ujjwal to see the bike for the first time. Yeah, sure. Alright guys, Ujjwal's here with his 650 completely modified. Say hi, da. I didn't get Ujjwal's reaction on the bike because I wasn't filming. I didn't notice that. But yeah, he was like, this bike is the Ferrari of bikes and stuff. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. Now, is it fine if we stay here in the middle of the road?
Yeah, that's fine. No one's gonna be here.
Oh, okay, okay. What about, should I stop here or there? Oh, wait. Oh, man. Oh, that's crazy.
You can calibrate it.
You make me look like I go to gym still.
Nah, it looks good, bro.
Yeah. Got some crazy shots. Ujjwal is pretty good with camera, honestly. Oh, wow. The atmosphere is so cool here. It's so nice. It's more hot when it's idle.
Okay.
But even when I'm moving, I can feel the heat. Oh wow, the fog, bro. God damn. We were chilling for a bit over there. Then we came down till here, this spot. In this spot, we took pictures. Had a pretty long talk with Ujjwal, about stuff. Now we're on our way to the top. Looks crazy, bro. With the sunlight and all that. Wait, no sunlight, damn. Oh, that is crazy, dog. Oh, I look too small for the bike right now.
Nah, you look good, bro.
Ah, man. That's so sad. I mean, over there exactly when we turn, I mean, you know that place. Exactly when we turn, there's a really good view. Fine, da. Good meeting you, da.
Yeah, very safe.
Yeah. You also go safe.
Yeah.
Bye, bro. Ujjwal is leaving. Now I should go home. I'll post the pictures we took on Insta. And go check my Instagram out. All the pictures, the reels, they're pretty good. Man, what the hell is this traffic? wanted to go to the top of the mountain, but it's closed now. There was an incident that had happened at the top of the mountain, so it's banned for the public now. Today I'm going to be posting the video where I'm riding my Ducati back home from Dr. Busa, trying to be really consistent, you know, post a video per week. I took a small break because my arm was hurting. The fuel indicator is on. I guess we have a little fuel left, so I'll try to keep it low. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Peace.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and